Hi everyone, it's Teresa. I'm back with another video, and today is Thursday for hashtag Deck the Year 2025, and today is week 52. It is December 25th. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. I'm filming this early because I know the weeks ahead is going to be crazy, cray, and I don't want to miss it. So I am here to share um, week 52 for Deck the Year 2025, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. And I did something different on this card. If you saw my last video, you know that I did a time card, and this one I wanted to finish off with a playing card. And I've been covering my playing cards with some tissue. I just wanted to share that. But I didn't do that on this card here, but I just been playing around. I've covered this card with some printable that I just I think it was a free from Hearth and Yawn's Studios free printable, and I loved it. And I also did these. These are some time cards, as you can see. And these printed up on my my Epson ink, my Epson 2850. And I am just loving how they turned out. And I inked the edges, and they're just gorgeous. I just love them. So those are for some upcoming projects. And then this one I used some of the. I found this. This was something I made like months ago. I don't know if it was this year or last year, but what I did was I took. Let me see if I can find the tape, because it's just regular, what do you call it? Packing tape. Where is it? I thought I had some in my stash here. So what it is just packing tape from the Dollar Tree, and I put it on some sticker paper that I took all the paper off, and I used some of my alcohol inks, and I just pounced it around on here, and then you let it dry, and it comes out like this. And I think it's 3 different colors. I forget what the colors were, but it was brilliant. And this is the last of. I'm going to have to make some more, and I'll come back on and share how I do it, or maybe I'll do a tutorial. But that's what these little strips of vintage tape that I always put on my projects, and they're wonderful. So I found them. I'm so glad. So this week, since it's Christmas, I did a really quick card, and what I did was I made some Christmas cards for friends, and there were a bunch of strips, and I had a pile of strips on the side here, and I took my card and I laid down all these strips, on a diagonal against, I just covered the entire card. And I thought that was really cool, because when you do that, then you just trim the edges of your card. See, you can't even tell. And it just gives a great, and you use up your scraps. So I thought that was brilliant. Then I laid down a doily that I had in my stash. It's just a regular doily from, I don't know, from Dollar Tree or from Michael's. You can find them everywhere. And then I use this sticker from Hobby Lobby. It's this one that says Merry Christmas. Let me see if I can show that here. I backed it with some red cardstock and I added it. And then I added some more of that, oh my gosh, my stems, my little shreds here. Those gold stars that I bought from Target. I'm like making use of these. I can't believe it. I added a finger bow that I used with this twine that I did. And I added a button. Oh my gosh, I have an avalanche. Okay. So I added a button here. Then I added some red bling and a pearl. And then I added this little pom-pom trim that I have in my stash. I think somebody had gifted that to me. I think it's this one here. And I don't know. Roby, it's like 6 yards. So I'm trying to use up. I have so much trim. Oh my gosh. I found that and I was like, oh, I can add that to the side here. It's not those big pom-pom trims, but it's really dainty and cute. I punched a hole and added an eyelet, and then I added this, what do you call this chain? Oh my gosh, I can't remember. I had it in my little container here that I keep on my desk. And I just rummaged through it, and it had a moon and a star and an angel, and I just added it as a dangle to my ATC card here. So I want to thank everybody for watching. If you're watching, or you should be spending time with your family. But if you are, thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.